Let's go to our man, Tom in Plymouth. Tom, what's going on, brother?
Hey, good morning, Tom and Tommy. Happy birthday, Tommy.
Thanks, man. We'll just keep it going. It was yesterday. It's going all weekend. That's what he said. Hey, are you gonna get hammered again up there?
I think it's happening right now. Maybe we're coming today.
No, it's just it hasn't started yet. We're gonna have a little storm. I don't think it's gonna be that big a deal.
Yeah, New York's getting it then. Yeah, that's
Tom's an optimistic guy. I heard 8 to 12 inches in Boston, Tom. Maybe you're just getting used to it, man.
We have plows up here though.
There you go. See? Exactly.
That's awesome.
That is.
So, TVIX, huh?
Yeah, I got landmines planted all over the place on this.
Let's take a look at it. So you get the TVIX. This is the velocity shares 2 times shot ETN. This is the
2 times VIX.
Yeah, 2 times VIX. So let's take a look at this baby. And you know, there's going to be volatility out here today. I mean, that's. So what are we doing? Did you already buy it?
Where are the landmines, Tom?
Did you buy it for the statement? What did you do here?
Well, I have it from 770 all the way down to 701.
Okay.
Nice. So it's picked up a few buys here.
Yeah, listen, you know.
Monday was a good day, right?
You got a good spike there, man. You know, those spikes, I suspect that's going to get tested, man. Let me just see something. So, you know, I've been talking about the footsie. You know, this thing broke down, and it can't get up. And that says quite a bit about, you know, we broke down on Monday. And what I mean by breaking down, folks, this broke the February 6th and 9th low. The DAX in Germany, which is, you know, in trouble also, you know, bottom line, that's laying at it. Now that's, to me, that's setting up like, okay, man, our S&P can have a tough time. So I think that I like the trade, Tom, you know.
Yeah, well, usually, and I don't know if you agree with this, but usually you can't get in this like in the morning. Like if it you know.
That's correct. Right.
It takes off like overnight or in the early morning or whatever. I mean, so if you're not in it, it's hard to get that first.
It's
move.
You know, it is throwing the dice. I mean, we're all throwing the dice most of the time anyway. But you know, the TVIX is throwing the dice because you absolutely have to be in it before the move. You know, because
it's just so quick.
Because you know, once the market sells off, that thing goes to the moon.
Yes.
And once the market takes off topside, it goes to hell, like very quickly. You know. So
I think it was last week or the week before. That was at like 670 or something, and it moved out of there real quick one day.
Yeah. And listen, what is cool, I think, trading this today is that you are going to have volatility. And really, this is an insurance product. So I can see, you know, bigger operators, even if they're long biased, well, they're going to probably buy some insurance.
Sure.
And that's what that is. You know what I mean? And, you know, so I think even, you know, basically going right up to the statement, you know, you'll probably get some action here, man.
And that's why I was just pulling this back. So, yeah, on Friday, that's where it was floating around, you know, 670, 660. And then Monday, of course, was a big day where it shoots right up to, you know, 870. Yeah.
Well, I'd like to get some in the 6s, but I don't think it's going back that far. But, hey, if it does, I will.
Not today, I would say, and not before 2 p.m. Eastern time.
Yeah. Yeah. Doesn't look it. Doesn't look it. The... Where's that dollar right now? This whole okay, we're down 269. Let me just pull it. DX. So DX.
I do not trust that gold market one bit right now. I don't know.
Yeah,
I'm
listen.
usually on it, but
I'm with you. It's you know I like what it's doing out here today. Yeah, the dollar still wants lower price, man. So. Hey, the way this looks to me, man, it looks like 2 o'clock, we're going to come into lower prices. The thing is so wild. This is what I'm trying to have a hard time comprehending fundamentally, that technically it looks like it's going to go lower, but I'm saying technically it goes lower, gold's going higher. It would seem that the statement is going to be like you, Kevin, and I were talking about, that he's not going to shock the market. But if he doesn't shock the market, I'm saying, well, why was the S&P going to go down then?
Sure.
You know, so
we'll find out.
Yeah, no, exactly, which is going to be kind of cool, you know.
Yeah.
So, Bottom line,
All right.
hold on for the
Well,
ride, man.
Yeah, we'll see about that. I'm also looking at that SCO. You can look at that if you get a chance, and maybe.
And here, stay right there. So the SCO, this is the ProShares Ultra Shot Crude Oil. Look at this. This is interesting. Huh? So this is.
Yeah, the fund will seek daily investment results correspond 200% of the inverse of the daily performance.
Okay. Oil's up, right?
Oil's up. So this is down. Yeah.
That's hard for me to comprehend in 1 second. Ultra
Nope.
Shot.
No, it's just like a double short.
It's a double shot.
It's a double short.
Oh, and it's down. Of course it should be
Yeah,
down.
it's-
Okay,
it's
good.
like-
Yeah, right. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
okay.
well, sometimes
Yeah.
I know it's a little bit of a
Right,
pretzel
right.
in the mind, but
Yeah.
once you,
No, totally.
yeah, it's double
So
short.
what are you doing with this, Tom?
Oh, I'd like to buy. I've been watching it for the past week or so, and I keep waiting to pull the trigger, and I don't. And it's like,
Yeah, don't pull it yet, because if you do go over to that oil market, you know that was a decent pop. Yeah, look at this pop. This is a big pop.
We're up
man.
about 50 cents since that number came out, and before we let you go, Tom, I mean, these numbers, they were big. I mean, the median estimate was a build, whether it was 2 million to 3 million, depending on whether it's a Bloomberg survey or the analyst estimate. And so
And
you
there was
look
a draw, big
yeah,
draw.
you know, instead of a build of 3 million, there was about a draw of 3 million, to put it in, you know, a simple. So be careful.
Cooking,
all
brother.
right, my friend.
Thanks,
Thank you so
Tom.
much.
Stay right there, folks. Tommy and I coming right back. Our phone number is 877-927-6648.